Hey everyone, I'm here at Temple University area. I'm about to show you a beautiful 4-bedroom unit in one of these buildings. It's the building which the units are located is this 1808 North 18th Street. This is what the street looks like. The street, you see the crossing street over there is Montgomery. And down there is Burke. The building is located between Montgomery and Burke. Here is very nicely renovated building. It has 3 floors. The unit I'm about to show you is located on the first. As you come up the stairs, you have on my left, you have mailbox for each unit. You have a floodlight outside and this exterior light, and also you have a door to get into the hallway. And just leave the door open for the video. So this is the hallway. You have a light, and there are 3 floors, and the unit I'm about to show you is located here, which is the first unit you see on my right. In the hallway here you have a fire monitoring system, exit light, and this unit also has in the back a parking space. I will show you what the inside looks like. Thank you. Hi everyone. I just came into unit 1 of 1808 North 18th Street. It is a beautiful 4-bed, 2-bath unit. This unit has 2 levels. On this level there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, and on a lower level you have 2 bedroom and 1 bath. So as you get in, you have this huge living area, and here on my left you have these 2 big windows for the natural light. The place has a lot of recessed lights, an open kitchen, a beautiful hardwood floor, and the kitchen has a lot of cabinet space and upgraded countertop, and also a range, the cooktop, and built-in microwave. You have stainless steel refrigerator. It's a nice, beautiful living area. It's big. Next, here on my left, I have the bathroom. It's a store bath, and the bathroom is big. And you have here on my left a sink with a medicine cabinet, a toilet, and a very nice tile floor and tile wall. You have store shower, as I said. Nice, and this is big in size. And next to this bathroom, I have one of the bigger bedroom on this floor. You have a beautiful floor here, and a window for the natural light on my left. And also you have this closet space. This is a bigger bedroom on this floor. This is the view from this side. Right next is a hallway, and here you have, in this hallway, you have the next bedroom. The bedroom has high ceiling and a window for a natural light, a little bit smaller than the other one, but still a big bedroom. Here you have a closet space, nice size closet space. And one of the nicest features about this unit is there are 2 parking spots at the back of the building for this residence. The residence of this unit is inside the fence, a big parking space that can take 2 cars, and this is a private area for unit 1 resident. You can hang out here. Just come in. Nice. Now I'll take you to the other 2 bedrooms, which are located on the lower floor. Okay, this is the common area for the lower floor residents. In this floor you have the laundry machines. Here you have washer and dryer. This common space is big, and you have another storage space. Actually it's a utility closet, but you can store some stuff in here. On this floor there are 2 bedrooms. One is the one you see up front. The next one is on the other end here. So let's get in. In this hallway you also have a window for a natural light. Because it's foggy today, it gets darker outside, so I turn on all the lights in the house. But here on the lower floor also you have a window that brings some natural light in. I'll take you to the bedroom. One of the bedrooms here. It's a nice size bedroom. Here over there behind the door you have a closet space. Nice size bedroom. The other bedroom is all the way down there. Okay, on this floor you also have another bathroom. Here, nice size bathroom. It has a tile floor, tile wall inside the shower. It's a stall shower. You have here toilets, sink, and a medicine cabinet. And also, as you could hear it, there is a fan. It's a big size bathroom. The last room I would like to show you is one of the other bedroom on the lower floor. It's a big size bedroom. You have a window over there for a natural light. And in this bedroom, you have at this corner, you have a closet space. Nice size closet space. Alright, I just showed you a 4-bedroom unit on one of the nicest area, which is close to Temple University. And I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.